As they're released.
OK。
放上，全部放上。
放，一起落。
这个拖出来了嘛？那个。
Oh wow.
No.
Oh man, look at this guy.
Right?
We need a bag. Dead dog.
放回去了，看见没？
妈的，我都牛逼啊！
No. OK。
Bag.
放出来了吗？
这就是 first。这个。这我那边咯，来。
Call your uncle so there's more help out here. All those dogs are already out, so everybody should be out here with these dogs. Flip the cage so they can come out. Scan those two dogs right there. You can probably scan them through the cage. No, scan the other two coming out. Wow, look at this guy's foot, man. Hey, careful. Scan him before he gets out. Flip the cage. Cut. Microchip.
This one.
Yeah, tag the dog.
That's the one.
Okay. Hey. So, someone tag the dog. Flip the cage. Dead dog. Oh man. That's messed up. Hey, bags for the dogs. Come on. Scan him. It's okay. Oh, look at this guy's eyes, man. You guys are gonna have to scan the dogs at the vet. Let go of the other cages. Oh, look at this guy. It's messed up. Oh, come on, guy. You got it. He got it. Come on, buddy. Oh, wow. Look at you, huh?
Okay, all out.
Tag that dog. Hey, buddy, you're free. Hey, make sure they remove the dead dogs.
Oh yeah.
，Good job, guys.
啊，回咗落條機啊！回啫，快點。
This is a microchip right here. That's another one. This guy only has 3 legs. Man, look how messed up he is. Man, these guys are so messed up. Alright. It's okay, huh? Come on. It's okay. Hey. That's okay, yeah. You're free. You're free.